This is part 2 of the syllabus video. At this time, we will go over the schedule of assignments and course calendar for English 100. The first week, August 31st through September 6th, please read the syllabus, watch the syllabus videos, and take the syllabus quiz by Friday, September 4th at noon. Your counselor should also talk with you about completing the MSU dual credit applications and enrollment forms so that you can get that dual credit scholarship. The week of September 7th through the 11th will be dedicated to understanding and using MLA format. Please read Chapter 1, Chapter 21, and Chapter 22, as well as view my MLA crash course videos. And please take the MLA formatting quiz by Friday, September 11th at noon. Week 3, September 14th through the 18th, you will be reading about Aristotle's 3 proofs, pathos, ethos, and logos. Please read chapters 2, 3, and 4. September 21st through the 25th is the expository essay. You will be reading chapter 17, 18, and 23, and from chapter 23, you will be choosing a topic for your expository essay, which is due on September 25th at noon. I tried to make all of the due dates consistent to help you so that we will meet every Friday at 11, and your assignments will be due on Fridays at noon. September 28th through October the 2nd, read chapter 5, 19, and 20. October 5th through October 9th, read and analyze chapter 7. October 12th to the 16th, read chapter 8 and chapter 24 through 27 for your synthesis essay, which is due on October 16th at noon. You will get to choose a topic from chapters 24 through 27. You may also use the source material in those chapters for your essay, as well as outside sources from the Camden Carroll Library. October 19th through the 30th, please read chapters 11, 12, and 13. November 2nd through the 6th. On the 4th, the library quiz opens, and you need to complete that quiz by November 26th at 11:30 p.m. I will also post library lecture material for you to help you with that quiz. Essay number 3, the critical analysis, is due November 6th at noon. This is actually your proposal. And it is a proposal essay and presentation. And you will type the essay, create a Google Slides presentation, create a screencast-o-matic video. You will post that video of your presentation to the discussion board, and then you will also view and provide feedback for your peers in their presentations. November 9th through the 20th, you will be reading chapters 14 and 16 and 15, and use the time to research, read, and draft your research essays. The week of November 23rd through the 27th is Thanksgiving break. The research quiz, the library research quiz, is due by the 26th at 11:30 p.m. Everyone must take this quiz. The week of November 30th through December 4th, you are completing your research essay and submitting that by December 4th at noon. In these weeks of November and December, I will require you to meet with one of the MSU students to get feedback on your essay and to revise and edit those essays. That way you have a conference with either myself or one of those MSU students so that you can turn in the very best research essay that you can. The final exam in this course has 2 parts. You have to take the reading quiz, which opens at 3:30 p.m. on December 6th and closes on Friday, December 9th at 3:30. And the written final exam, which will be on Monday morning, December 7th. I will open up the Google Meet at 7 a.m. and post the prompt and the readings. You will, as you are on the Google Meet, you will be writing that essay so that you can ask questions and get help. And that essay will be due at noon. So it's a written final. You'll be given articles and a prompt, and you will write an argumentative essay and turn that in by December 7th at noon. Now, I know that I have just presented a lot of information to you over these 2 videos, Syllabus Part 1 and Syllabus Part 2. I want to assure you that I'm here to help you, and I'm available to you via email as well as our Google Meets on Friday, 11 to noon, and on Monday through Thursday, 7 to 8 a.m. by appointment. Please email me if you need any help. I will post video lectures as well as answer questions in the discussion board. I'm always here to help you. I want you to learn from this course and be prepared to write for college because of this course.